What's up, YouTube? It's April 20th, Noah season. It's like the second day of the first season here in Wisconsin. We're running a little late. We're packing up the car. We just heard turkeys gobble right behind his house, so that's good news. It's pretty cold out. It's like 20 degrees. We got snow on the ground yet, so apparently they've been really active in the mornings the last few days, so I don't know what's gonna happen. So we got the Jake decoy with us, got the camera. Hopefully having good luck. Stay tuned.
Ready to shoot him. Just get your gun up slowly. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Slowly get your gun up. On your shoulder, slowly get it up. Just wait. Just get it up. Get your knee up and start aiming at him. That's a far shot. No, stop. Just rest on your knee. Just wait. Just wait. Just be patient. Some shooting. Wait. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Aim in his head. Take him. Atta boy. Hey, look at me. Atta baby.
Let's go! What's up, guys? Carson Knapp here with Noah Jeremo. We're out here today, April 20th, the second day of the first season in Wisconsin. We don't have school today, so we're able to get out this morning. We snuck in and we busted like probably 20 birds out of there. Probably. This was probably one of them. And then there was like 3 or 4 towns that stayed where we were at, and they ended up flying down somewhere else. So we made a move. We came out to this field and this guy was strutting at like 100 yards, 200 yards. There was probably 6 other times in this big field we had, and we were able to get this bird fired up. I was calling at him. His uncle was calling at him. He was henned up with 3 hens. I got a pretty good video of it, but what actually happened was, I don't know if I got it on video, but the birds, they're hung up at like 80 yards, and all of a sudden they flew straight at us. And I don't know what happened. Like, obviously we didn't bust them because they wouldn't have flown at us, but apparently he said he saw an eagle that landed in the field and it scared him, and they flew at us, and he hung up at like 50 yards, and they started walking away, and he wasn't going to have a shot if he didn't shoot right there. So Noah, fortunately, free-handed that 50-something yard shot and rolled him. So that was awesome. Attaboy. We're done here in Wisconsin. Stay tuned. Let's get some more turkeys on the ground. If you haven't, subscribe to CNAP Outdoors. Check out Servicide, Servicide TV, Servicide.com to gear up for this spring. Thanks for watching.